Hi, in this video I will talk about Gal4 Gal80 system in Drosophila. In my earlier videos on Gal4 I talked about Gal4 UAS system. So Gal4 UAS system, by using Gal4 UAS system we can tissue specifically knock down or overexpress our gene of interest. So that give us a spatial control over gene expression or gene knockdown. So Gal4 Gal80 system would actually provide us with the temporal control on gene expression or gene knockdown. So temporal control is achieved by another specific modification in the Gal4 UAS system, which is Gal80. So we would go step by step and look at the mechanism of Gal4 Gal80 system. So first, like the previous Gal4 UAS system, we have our driver fly line, which is a Gal4 line, and then in the driver fly line, apart from Gal4 put under a tissue specific promoter, we have Gal80, which is usually under tubulin promoter. On the other hand side, we have responder fly line. Say for instance we want to knock down gene A, so we have our gene A RNAi construct, and we would cross these two lines, driver line and responder line. So what would happen, and we would maintain this cross at 25 degrees centigrade, and then we would get offspring, F1 offspring. So in the F1 offspring, the F1 offspring have Gal4 and Gal80. So it would actually produce Gal4, but Gal4 is actually inhibited by Gal80. Gal80 is an inhibitor of Gal4, and Gal80 acts as a flap on the Gal4 activation domain. So you can see in the Gal4 there is two domains, one is orange and one is pink. The orange one is the DNA binding domain, which allows the transcription factor to bind to the DNA to the upstream activator sequence, and the pink domain is actually help to start the transcription. So it's the activation domain, and Gal80 is actually inhibiting that activation domain. So this construct can bind to that upstream activation sequence but cannot transcribe the construct because its activation domain is masked by Gal80. Then how Gal80 is giving us a temporal control? So if we see in the next slide, so now we are maintaining the cross at 30 degrees centigrade at a higher temperature. So what would happen at higher temperature? Both Gal4 would be expressed and Gal80 would be expressed, but Gal80 cannot inhibit Gal4 because at that particular temperature Gal80 is disorganized and it is inactive, so it cannot mask the activity of Gal4 and cannot bind to the Gal4 activation domain. So in absence of Gal80, Gal4 can easily go and bind to the upstream activator sequence region and it can transcribe. So if you like my video, give it a quick thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and also please leave your comments below. Thank you.